Oh. Hello? Can anybody hear me? Oh, okay, we copy. I'll switch it back. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Arsenio's lab. I fucked up. We're going to attempt to undo it because I sneezed while reworking my board, and I feel bad because it was my working board, but now it doesn't work. It's not a great feeling. Oh, come on. Ah! All right, hold on. God damn it. Replug that. Deactivate, reactivate. Hello. Okay, there we go. Hello, everybody. We're taking this from the top again because apparently I can't catch a break tonight. It's not great. Hi, I goofed up. I sneezed while reworking my circuit board, BGA, to reseat the memory controller balls because I think that one of them cracked. And then I flipped the BGA clean off the board. Not a good feeling, not a good time. So, this is my attempt to stream. Oh no. Hello? Stream? Don't break on me. Oh no. Are you breaking? No, I'm sending solid. I swear, if this thing just keeps breaking, I'm going to be very, very annoyed. Okay. I guess we'll go back to the workbench. Behold the, oops. So, yeah, I sneezed, flipped it off. I've since cleaned up some of the solder and have started working on that. Man, this really just doesn't feel good at all. This is some big defeat flavor, which is not good. So we're going to attempt to ungoof this. We are going to ungoof what I done goofed. In theory. First thing we're going to do is move some of this stuff out of the way. I was in the middle of working on it. Actually, we'll keep this open because I need to wipe it down. I'll get some more Q-tips. Anyway, I guess step one, clean it down. Who knows? Maybe this will be better than the previous one. I doubt it. Well, as long as it boots and like the not that many balls this thing uses are good contact and it works, that's all that really matters. These are test boards. They don't need to sustain working for like months on end. These are just proofs of concept. And I have the next revision coming up anyway, which is a-okay. Oh, damn, I also lost 2 resistors. Are they on the bench or are they just gone? I think they're just gone. Man, this sucks. This thing bridges late 90s instruments onto the internet with cellular connections via the hologram network. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with some solder wick. I need some wide stuff. Flux it up, and then we're gonna essentially just remove. Yeah, I'm not stuttering. Enough no shenanigans this time. I am frustrated with everything because this broke, and at myself. No, you can't go to sleep. You have to stay up and watch this. Come on. All right, pad's cleaned. Alrighty. Anyway, you all know my night's not going great. How is your night's going? Better than mine, Lamau. All right, let's get this old flux off this BGA. Actually, you know what? Screw it. We're just going to dunk it in there for a bit and fish it out. Hey, Nathan. Welcome to Ours' Nightmare stream. I rated a solid 1 out of 5 as is. So far, it looks like we didn't actually lose any pads, which is good, because that would be basically instant death. Yeah, reworking the NASA board. If you saw the tweet, I accidentally flip chipped it because I sneezed. Which is not Pog. So now I have to repogify it. Step 1 of that is removing all the old solder. Got to make sure all the pads are nice and bright. and willing to accept solder into their lives. All right. Now we give it a good scrub down with the defluxing agent. Looks like there is one pad that needs a smidge work. There we go. Now the entire board is shiny. All right. Now we just gotta line it up here. Man, I'm just gonna wipe this down with some alcohol. Make it easier to align. And also clean up this residue. All right, we're too far left, so we need to move it right a smidge. Too far up. Looks like we are too far down. Damn it, stop sticking to my fingers. Okay, we're slightly twisted. Almost in alignment. So close. Now we're just a tiny bit too far left. almost aligned. All right, that's about as good as we're gonna get it. Man, I really hope I don't have to buy more of these chips, because they are not cheap at like 50 bucks a pop. I don't think anybody wants to really buy one of these. All right, let's get some solder paste out and see if we can get this reworked. Where's solder paste scoop? And we'll use this will work. Design is postponed for now until I ungoof this, which will hopefully happen if everything works here okay. We're not going to use the turbo expensive paste for this either. We're just going to use regular expensive paste. This is some kind of generic stuff. Oh no. Is it not going to release? Please release. All right, let's try heating and flowing this stuff. Come on, work. Please work. All right, come up to temperature. If this doesn't work, I'm just gonna do it in the stencil next time. Although, wait, it might work. That looks like a good ball grid. That looks like a really good ball grid. The question is, will it reflow? And then will it work after reflow? I'm going to check it under a microscope. All right, it looks like we have all pins with the necessary connections. Oh, crap. That came up. Alright, we're going to undo this again. Soak it in isopropyl so the hot glue, which I used to anchor it, releases. Then we'll probably flux this down here and hope to hell everything works. Come on. Release. Alright, SD card is separated. No pads are delaminated. Coolio. All right. We have alignment. Now it's time to dry it out and then hit it with some flux. Sorry about the ears going ag. I hope to God this works. All right, chat, start praying to the gods of gigahertz. If they will work and let this survive. No, stop trying to split it. Damn it, this is kind of annoying. Stay in alignment, stay in alignment. Check up top. We are like half a degree off. No, other half degree. All right, we're about as aligned as we're gonna get it. It's heating time. Fingers crossed. Pray to the gods of gigahertz. Put this up here. Please work, please work, please work, please work, please work, please work. All right, I think it worked. Yep, okay, solder has hit liquid point. Give it a smidge longer. And now we let it cool. Please work, please work, please work, please work, please work. I think I'm actually gonna cry really bad if this doesn't work. Where'd my 100K resistors go? Oh, cool. Got them. I need 2 more to solder into bootstrapping pin places. Please don't be broken. Yeah, with all the gunk on the... Ow, that's hot. With all the gunk on the board, I think I'm going to put this one in my deep wash bath. Ouch. Alright, reworked that one too. Well, it's not pretty, but it should work. Let me get the wash tank out. Yeah, okay, wash tank is not leak dry. Mixture of isopropyl alcohol, Windex. Cleans flux better than anything else I've ever seen that doesn't cost like $60 a tank. Also is not cruel to like plastics and stuff. Like acetone. Acetone can dissolve some stuff. Oop, nope, get out of there. And interestingly, this one seems to leave your boards like really clean when it dries. And just for good measure, we're going to hit it with some contact cleaner. Get some of that methylated spirits on here. And grab my ESD brush. Give it a good scrub. Good, nice, deep clean. And then blow dry. Before we do a final rinse. Alright, well that's soaking there for a bit. This gives me some time to remove these wires from their hot glue prison. Or I've got to resolder them. I can soak there for a bit. I'm going to check chat. Damn, chat's quiet. How many people are in here? Ah, so Nathan isn't here. He's just working on other stuff. What about Nuffly or Bread? Or is Bread off playing squad again? Alright, well, I'm going to let this thing drip dry. So I'm going to post it up here by the irons. Let it dry off. And then finish extracting. Ow, damn it. That isopropyl alcohol stings in many small cuts. Alright, then we got to resolder this down, which is going to suck, but it's par for the course. This is my only fully functional unit now. The only one. Reminds me, I still have the other one that's in the oven that I was doing another reflow on earlier. I'm going to go get that one out. Yo, what the hell? Oh no. Oh no. I think this one's splatted. I'm going to have to probably rework this one as well. I don't know if you can see that, but if you look real close, there's bridged balls there. So we're down at one bootable, which is okay because we only really need one at the moment. If I can have two, that's better. If I have three, that's the best. So we need one for actual hardware verification. Let's see, I need the SD pinout. All right. We can solder this while the rest of it dries off. I'm gonna go inspect one of these joints real quick. Make sure it didn't break. Yeah, it's just some scuffing on the mask. That's fine. All right. Back down up close view. Oh yeah. I hope everybody's enjoying the frustration / disappointment stream. Okay, let's see, pin 9, which is DAT 3. Let's see, so if it goes that way, flip it this way. Got it. Let me retin the pads, not burn myself. Oh, come on. Nope, we're gonna wick that. Here's my wick. There we go. And I think we'll switch it up and use the very fine iron for the actual soldering. So let's see, pin 9 goes to pin 2. Or not, because this is annoyingly low thermal mass. Okay. Now let's see. Pin 1. No, wait, hold on. I'm off by 1. I think my temperature is a smidge too low. Yeah, my temperature is too low. Much better. All right, so let's see. Pin 1 is pin 2. Okay. Pin 2, CMD, which is pin 3. Okay. Pin 4 is VDD. Four is VDD, and let's see, you are pin 3 is VSS. 4, 5, 6. Pin 5 on U is clock. Pin 6. No, pin 5. Oh, hang on a second. You are pin 4. VDD, which goes to 4 on U. All right, then let's see. Pin 5 is clock, which is 5 on here. Okay. Now these are just 7 and 8, which go up here like normal. All right. I'm gonna blast this out with compressed air. I'm gonna give it a quick blast out underneath the chip with some methylated spirit so it pulls out any water. And then it'll just quickly evaporate off. And then we'll see if we get boot. Whew, man, that's cold. All right. Yeah, let's, we will not drink methylated spirits. Also, hello everybody. There's now a lot more of you in here. Or it's these things, which is naphtha, or whatever the hell it is. Hexanes, difluoro, and N-pentane. Oh, this one doesn't even have naphtha. Yeah, it's the hexane that sits around on there. It's not methylated spirits. I'm an idiot. But we already knew that. So lab power supply. Over here. I need my USB cable to untangle from this mess. Get out of there, you stupid thing. Okay. USB cable untangled. Now we go ground, RX, TX, which goes onto my debug header. If this springs to life, I'm going to be so pleased, but I don't expect it to. Open serial port. We are 115200. Contact. No, nothing. It's not even starting up on the circuit. Really? I'm just going to press down on it really hard, see what happens. No. I think this is a bust. Oh, wait, what's that? Question marks? Question marks are good. Come on. I know you're working. Maybe. Maybe not. Please work. Come on. It's not working, guys. Yeah. I think this one's a goner. Nope. Damn it. This is rating. Yeah, I'm gonna check the voltages at the rails. I'm seeing 0 current draw from my power supply though. All right, let's see what we got. V-core, nothing. VPLL, 0.4 volts. Nothing there. Yeah, only VPLL is live right now. And that's showing 4.4 volts. Doug, I don't think this chip's alive. Nah. Yeah, I'm showing 0 volts at the other rails. Yeah. I don't think this thing's alive. God. Why did I decide to rework it? Yeah, not even the question marks. What if I unplug the SD? Will that change anything? No, of course not. So I can hear the buck converter clicking into arming state. I bet if I check it, I'll see 5 volts out. Yeah, dead on 5. Yeah. This thing's dead, guys. I am heartbroken. On the plus side, I still have 1 bootable. Yeah, play taps. Burr, burr, burr. Burr, burr, burr. Yeah, hold on. Well, my working board is indeed working. So I guess it's time to solder this one up correctly the rest of the way. And I don't want to power up my other one because it's got solder bridges, and everybody knows solder bridges are bad. BGAs are frustrating, guys. Really frustrating. Like, oh my god, why? Frustrating. Like, everything sucks. Ah, tear. It's making me question if I should do BGAs on my next design or if I should just switch to, you know, using standard QFPs. Because some of these things are available in QFPs. I mean, if I can use it in QFPs, may as well, right? Or maybe I should just do BGAs because BGAs are good to learn with. Sup, Perry? Unfortunately, it's ripperoni. It is very ripperoni, not Pog. And I'm heartbroken. So we're down to like one bootable board. Unless I can figure out how to reball this. Yeah, I sneezed. I sneezed and flipped the BGA completely off the board. BGAs are pain. And the kids on BPS wonder why I tell them don't do BGAs. BGAs are hell. So, let's see what else we got. The voltages we're supposed to see on the rails are as follows. You know what? We're going to stop clipping onto this, and we're actually just going to solder on the correct connector. Or corrector. Which is somewhere. Where the hell did my connector blocks go? Man, making that goof up really threw a wrench in my brain. I'm frazzled AF. And TBH, It's the bitter taste of defeat. It's not a great time, guys. It's the very bitter taste of defeat. Where the hell are my connectors? They're not in my box of stuff. What the hell? Well, that's my USB UART bridge. These are not done. Where's my Phoenix contact bag? And Delta Heavy's postponed again? Ouch. Where the hell is this thing? United, we launch on Time Alliance. Sure. More like you launch when it's ready. So it's essentially Cyberpunk, the launch company. So these are my USBs, which I don't need. Ah, here they are. I have found the rest of the connectors. Don't need the serial ones right now, we just need the power adapter. Smoked salmon, good, yes. I'm like 90% there's like something wrong with my USB to serial implementation on here as well. But I'm not sure what yet. I have to go over my schematics again with a comb. So I'm gonna baby this one real good. All right, so the voltages we need to see. Oh yeah, good bagels make all the difference in the world. Crappy bagels are a bane of my existence. Ones that fall apart in your mouth and just like, no. No, give me good bagels or give me death. Give me good bagels or give me death. All right, let's see. VPLL should be 1.8 volts. 1.102, 1.5, and 1.1. All rails are in spec on this one, which is my bootable one, which is currently booted and running. This is our gold sample. This baby right here. It's perfect. It will be forever perfect. No, it won't. Who am I kidding? Based on data from how bad the other ones went, it'll probably burn itself up and cause massive disappointment. Well, I'm going to finish connecting all this stuff and then put this one in a box so I can give it to my coworker. And I hope it doesn't magic smoke itself magically, because that would suck. Yeah, except this one isn't a hobby. This one's work board. So stress levels are a little different. And especially with the pandemic screwing things up, I did not really get to murderboard it with teammates. So basically, this has been my baby. I'm going to go over the next rev with an even finer tooth comb and hopefully find what the hell's wrong with it easier. So let's see, there's that there, that there. Now I just need to get my DB9. Yeah, NASA foots the bill, which is kind of nice. But man, let me tell you, the feeling of guilt, yeah, your soul foots that bill. See, I'm far too young to retire is the thing. And I haven't done enough cool stuff to retire. So, we out here. And pandemic's screwing with things, so basically we're kind of in a design freeze. And we can't really purchase, which isn't great. Coolio. All right, the golden sample. Behave and work. It boots. We know it's good. The other two are sus. Well, I think that's it for the workshop portion of the stream. But first, I'm going to open the package that also just arrived. Which, if I'm right, is something very cool. Yeah, this is also, like, I'm not very familiar with doing this whole thing. So this is like my 4th time doing doing like actually big projects and complicated ones. My previous one was sun tracking turret, but this one is a whole different level of takes the cake on complexity, but you got to keep leveling it up. So what came in the mail was this: a decoy flare canister for an LA-49 type. So this will look pretty cool next to my Sidewinder parts, which I'm going to go get one of my fins just to put that in there. The hunter and the decoy. Very large fin for an AIM-9 Lima or Mike. And then my decoy flare canister. Which is pretty neat to see that there's like the rear seal where this actually slots into your flare bank. Yeah, and then it ejects out this way past, you can see in here where the sealing material is, and it blew that top off. Sick. Alright, we'll go back to standby, and then we'll switch over to design stuff. But I'll clean up in here a little bit, so that way it's not a total disaster zone. This is the golden sample. Put that in the box where it will not be touched. Ghost pepper? No, I think more like Carolina Reaper, ghost pepper, and whatever else is the hottest one, as well as just straight up, refined capsaicin. Or am I just not design stuff tonight? Yeah, I don't think I feel like designing things now. We've been going for like an hour. I think I'm going to call it here. And say that's probably going to be it for tonight. There's the thumbnail. Alright, thanks for stopping by, everybody. sorry we couldn't make this thing work. It would have been really, like, victory if we could, but that's not the way life plays out all the time. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Sorry I couldn't actually design this thing. I'm gonna go change the titles after the fact, and gonna call it a night. See you guys around.